I will talk about how can you add TV on your Vizio app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on account down here, and just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on Vizio account, just click on it here. Then it's going to enter with you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on device and TVs here, and it's going to enter with you to this list. Click here on add TV. So then here enter the code show on your TV here. Then you click here on continue here. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking